Philosophy. Jose Rizal Memorial State University adheres to the principle of dynamism and cultural diversity in building a just and humane society. Vision. A dynamic and diverse, internationally recognized university. A dynamic, inclusive, and regionally diverse university in southern Philippines. Then the mission. Jose Rizal Memorial State University pledges to deliver the effective and efficient services along research, instruction, production, and extension. It commits to provide advanced professional, technical, technopreneurial training with the aim of producing highly competent, innovative, and self-renewed individuals. Goals: globally competitive educational institution, resilient to internal and external risk and hazard, innovative processes and solutions in research translated with extension engagement, partnership and collaboration with private enterprise, other HIS, government agencies, and alumni. Then the sound sound fiscal management and participatory governance.